You can't sleep on crypto, guys. Good morning, everyone. This is Financial Literacy 101, and today we'll be talking about Ethereum and how important Ethereum has been and still will be a very intricate and important role to DAO, which are decentralized autonomous organizations. Now, as some of us may know, that the cryptocurrency market has been down for quite some time, but nonetheless, there are some things that we absolutely need to still invest in, even in the down market. And that goes without saying that Ethereum, to me, is the foundation of the cryptocurrency market. Now, even though Bitcoin may be its head, Ethereum, as I've been saying this for a very, very long time, Ethereum has been the foundation of the base, and we need to recognize that, and we need to understand that when it comes to this. Now, and I'm looking at Ethereum, and I'm looking over the past year. It's been up 918% over the past 3 months, almost 10% the past month. It's been down almost 14% the past week, up 6.3, and today it's been down 0.01%. Now, when I look at Bitcoin in comparison to Bitcoin, has only been up 276%. The past 3 months, it's been down at 42%. The past month, down almost 5%. The past week, down almost 4%. And to today, it's been down almost a percent and a half. So these things are very important for you guys to understand the comparison and contrast, because the correlation factor of these two in the ratio tells me analytically that the better buy, the better investment is Ethereum. And I've been saying this for a very long time. Yes, you should have Bitcoin. Yes, absolutely. But Ethereum is more important, in my opinion, from my perspective, with doing some data analysis, that is more important to the cryptocurrency market than Bitcoin. Bitcoin will always exist. It will always be there. And as people get more involved in cryptocurrencies, as people get more involved in Bitcoin, Bitcoin will shoot up to 50, 60, 80, $100,000 per coin. But again, there's a lot of money to be made. If you don't want to go out and spend $34,000 on a Bitcoin, if you don't want to go out and spend $50,000 on a Bitcoin, then guess what? You can come over to Ethereum and spend $2,300 for Ethereum coins. And also, don't forget about Ethereum Classic. One of my favorite, Ethereum Classic, and matter of fact, ladies and gentlemen, I have that in my own portfolio, and I think that's also a great buy, okay? But we're going to focus on Ethereum, but I will show you I have 11.7 when it comes to coins of Ethereum Classic, because right now, Ethereum Classic, if you look at their particular correlation of price as it swings, increase, and decrease over the past year, Ethereum Classic has been up over 877%. The past 3 months, it's been up 231% if we're rounding up. The past 1 month, it's been down almost 15%. The past week, back up almost 8%. And then today, it's slightly down at 1%. So these things are very important for you to understand. No one's really talking about cryptocurrency. I mean, there are some channels that are dedicated to cryptocurrency. They always want to talk about cryptocurrencies. It seems as though that people only talk about the cryptocurrency market when it's hot. This is when it needs to be talked about. This is when it needs to be understood. This is when you need to comprehend. And this is when you need to 1,000% invest. There's thousands of people who are investing in cryptocurrencies right now, and they're just banking. They're just waiting their time until it blows up so they can sell off their cryptocurrencies and become crypto millionaires. That is what occurred when cryptocurrencies first came out, and only a couple of thousand people started to invest in them. And now all of those are millionaires and billionaires. So I'm telling you right now, if you have an extra $50, $100, $150, start to buy Ethereum, start to buy Bitcoin. And there's many ways that you can go about doing this. Now, as we see the headline news when it comes to Ethereum, Ethereum has already surpassed Bitcoin based on dollar holdings, okay? And that's coming from its CEO. Now, as we look at this, it says, so Ethereum just surpassed Bitcoin in the last month or two, the first time ever our million users have Ethereum more so than Bitcoin. We manage about 17 billion in deposit of customer coins, and the number one coin held in dollar term is Ethereum. Okay, you can go and read the story from Benzaga. I believe it's very important for you to understand why it matters, because it's showing you right now the value that Ethereum has. It shows you again the value that Ethereum has. And I've been saying this for a very long time. As I start looking at tokens, as I start looking at NFTs, as I start looking at other parts of the cryptocurrency market or the cryptocurrency makeup, what I'm noticing is Ethereum, 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 Ethereum. A lot of these coins fall under Ethereum. Cardano, one of my favorite. Ethereum falls under the Ethereum umbrella. When you really look at the really complicated, complex network of cryptocurrency, and then you single out Ethereum and you see the hierarchies and you see all the branches, how Ethereum is essentially part of almost every cryptocurrency. It's quite phenomenal. Not every cryptocurrency, almost every cryptocurrency. So you can't strip Ethereum out. Ethereum is not going anywhere, just like Bitcoin not going anywhere. But if you don't want to go and spend 35, 30, 50, 30, 50. That's not a number. But anyway, $40,000 on a Bitcoin, then you should go and spend your $2,300 on an Ethereum coin. Or like I did, I put a lot of my money in Ethereum Classic, where you just saw that for Ethereum Classic coin, guess what? It's only $55. Now, again, the bigger mark, the bigger investment when it comes to the entire network is Ethereum itself versus Ethereum Classic. But again, I'm not saying one is more valuable than the other. What I'm saying is Ethereum has a better foundation and it's part of more intricate. Well, I guess I am saying Ethereum is more important than Ethereum Classic when we talk about those things, okay? So let's go over and let's look at the difference in the price between the year. Now, we look right here. We see that in a 52-week range that Ethereum rose from 231, went all the way up to $4,300. So right now, if you invest in it right now, you should be getting this at a very discounted price. Now, when I go over to my Coinbase and we look at the current price of Ethereum, we see $2,300. And we still see up over 864% when it comes to this investment, okay? Now, when it comes to the Coinbase platform, what it's showing is the trading activity that 62% of the people on Coinbase are saying buy or they have bought, and 38% is saying sell or they're going to sell or they have sell, excuse me. And this is the second most held cryptocurrency on Coinbase. But versus what the CEO saying is worldwide, globally, there are more people are holding more Ethereum, okay, according to his numbers, are holding Ethereum more so than Bitcoin. And if you notice over here, when it comes to Ethereum, you look at mine, I have roughly 915. I don't even have one Ethereum yet, because again, a lot of my money invested into what? Ethereum Classic, okay, because I believe that's a very intricate part. And as we're looking at this, if you guys don't understand about Ethereum and all the coins that belong to Ethereum, I could probably do another video and break that down for you guys, but quite frankly, Ethereum is a decentralized computing platform that uses ETH, which is also Ether, to pay transaction fees. Developers can use Ethereum to run decentralized applications and issue new crypto assets. Very important that you understand that. Known as what? Ethereum tokens, as I told you guys before. Now, price correlation with these particular ones that fall under Ethereum, okay? All of these particular tokens fall under Ethereum, and they're a very intricate part of the Ethereum network, okay? So I'm not trying to really bore you with this information, but I am trying to make you a well-formed investor, so you have a little bit more to go off of, so you know when you're investing your money and somebody said, well, why did you invest $10,000 in Ethereum? You can have some really good talking points and understand the data and statistics behind your investment, which is one of the biggest things. Now, this just in, okay? This is in on July 5th as of yesterday, which is probably some of the largest news that's come out in the cryptocurrency world in a very, very long time. And I think, again, this is important to your investment into Ethereum. Now, if you're not aware of this, ladies and gentlemen, America's first legal DAO, decentralized autonomous organization, approved in Wyoming, America's first. Okay, as you can tell here, they're called DAOs, are recognized as a new form of company in the crypto friendly state, because Wyoming has been doing a lot of things to get into the cryptocurrency market. They're like, hey, we're trying to get into this market. We know where the money's going to be eventually into the future. So I think Wyoming is thinking almost, I want to say 20, 30, even 50 years out. They're starting to think so far ahead, way before even the lawmakers or politicians. They're like, hey, we want Wyoming to be one of the, the states or the nations leading in cryptos, okay? And whoever is pushing the pendulum, whoever's pushing those red tape, Wyoming is soon to be one of the top states that's going to allow a lot of cryptocurrency platform trading, especially with this new decentralized autonomous organization. Now, for you guys that are not familiar with DAOs, well, let me tell you that Ethereum has been a big part of DAOs. Now, this is how it used to be. I don't know if they're going to be a huge foundation or grounding for DAOs, but this is what I know. DAO was the biggest and earliest example. It was created by Slockit and was built on the Ethereum network. I've been saying it and I've been saying it again. Ethereum has been very important for a very long time. And if you look into your NFTs, your non-fungible tokens, look for Ethereum as well in the backdrop. It said its codes were open source, which anyone could contribute to. The DAO was designed to work as a venture fund platform for crypto projects. A pitch would be made, and anyone with DAO tokens could vote on projects to award funding, okay? Then it says, however, the DAO never made it to liftoff. Now and again, it says the DAO raised 12.7 million Ether. Again, Ether is Ethereum. Ether is Ethereum. It raised 12.7 million Ether, worth around 150 million at the time. Ladies and gentlemen, I still believe that Ethereum is going to be a large part of DAOs. And if it is, and this is America's first DAO, and in the backdrop on the Ethereum network, or Ethereum having some part, or Ether having some part of this, believe me, this investment will skyrocket. The only thing you have to do is be patient, which is one of the strongest, most horrible things that anyone can do when you're trying to make money fast. If you're trying to make money fast, this probably is not the investment for you. Patient investors have more sustainable growth and more money over the course of time versus somebody who's just trying to flip money. Even day traders take a loss knowing that the long-term investment of me holding a particular stock, then day trading on different stocks will pay off long-term. And also those swing traders, they may say, hey, I want to be in and out of the stock within a week or two, but they may even hold a stock a month just so they can get that 1% extra. And I'm telling you, when it comes to investments like this, when you're talking about Ethereum, invest, and hold, invest, and hold. And then when you see a certain amount that you just can't fathom how much money your portfolio has made, then that is the time to sell, because more times than not, it's going to be a cryptocurrency pop after the boom. After the boom and the pop, what occurs? More things go down than not. That means that at that particular price point, you can sell, reap the benefits, invest the same amount that you had before, take your profits, make other investment, or go on a vacation. This is Financial Literacy 101. Learn money and be inspired. And don't tell me that I didn't tell you. I'm out.